Ferdinand is waiting. Oh, it's such fun to play. Where is Leonardo? Leonardo's the black kitty. Where is he? Where is he? Oh my goodness, there he goes. Oh, this is so exciting. What are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do? Okay, Leo, are you gonna come get? Oh, I knew it. There we go. Yay! It's so fun. Tag, you're it. Tag, you're it. Life is fun. Oh, here we go again. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's so fun to tussle and have a friend. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. What's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen? Is it a standoff? Okay, here we go again, one more time. Who gets the box? Who gets the box? Who gets the box? Oh boy. Oh boy, who's gonna make the first move? There we go, the winner, home base. Home base, oh, two home bases. Two home bases. Oh, okay. Two cats in a box? Is it gonna be two cats in a box? Yes, it is. Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Both of them. Leonardo, both winners. The end. Oh, nope, not the end. Ferdinand, are you so happy you get the box? You get the box.